everyone! So I'm going to show you my go-to makeup that I do if I'm going to be out running errands or hanging out with my mom, and I still want to have like a little bit of makeup on, but not like a full face of makeup, like a full glam. So this normally takes me about like 10 minutes, I would say, and it's like kind of like a, glowy, natural, like effortless type of look. So let's get to it. Okay, so for my face, I like to use Lancome, and I'm the number 420, and I like to use this one because it's like a full coverage, and I like that. I like to wear that on certain days, like, if I just want like a full face coverage, problem areas that I'm having, like if I'm breaking out or something. So I like to use this. This one's a really good one. So I just put that on the top of my hand and apply it onto my face. And what I normally do with my beauty blender is I like to put it underneath the water and get it, fully soaked, and then after that I like to like squeeze the excess water out and then use that for my face when I apply my foundation on, and it gives it like a more dewy type of look, Okay, so now that I applied my foundation on, I like to use this Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline. This one's really good too. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I just like to use this a little bit on my forehead, on top of my nose, and underneath my eyes to brighten them, and then underneath my chin, and then a little bit on my top lip. And then I just start blending that underneath my eyes and on the top of my forehead. Okay, so once I got my concealer all blended, I like to use my NYX Wonder Stick for contouring my face. So I just apply that all over my forehead and on the side and underneath my cheek, and then I just to contour my nose a little bit, and then I just blend that all in. Okay, and once I got all that blended out, then what I like to do is use my Anastasia Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil in the color medium brown. Oops. And I like to comb my brows just a little bit. And on my eyebrows, I don't do them real too drastically. I just kind of like fill in parts that are, like a little bald or, just need to be refilled. And I like my eyebrows to look a little bit more natural. Well, obviously for this look, but just anytime I do my makeup, I like to have my brows look, very natural and stuff. So I just fill in my brows a little bit just to give them a little bit more shape, and fill them in just a little bit. And then once I do that, then I like to blend it all in. Okay, now next is my eyes. So I just curl my eyelashes a little bit, and then I like to use Lancome. Has been my favorite makeup as of lately. Their mascara is really good. My mom gave me like the little samples, or I think she had bought something and it came with these like little mascaras. And this one is the Lancome Silas Booster. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's just like a base to make your eyelashes longer before applying your actual mascara. So, and then for my next mascara, I like to use the Lancome one that my mom had gave me, and then I just apply it after I was done applying the base. This one's a really good one. I would highly recommend that. And this one is Ulta Beauty Anti-Lashes Mascara. And I like to use this one just to make my eyelashes look a little bit fuller. Okay, and then once I applied the other side of mascara, then I just go ahead and use my Ulta Beauty mascara, and then I just apply that to my lower lashes. Then I like to go ahead and apply my blush, and this one is Smashbox in the color Paradise. Then I just go ahead and use a big fluffy blush brush, the excess off blush off the blush brush. Okay, and next what I like to do is apply some highlighter, and this one does not have no name on it. I forgot what the name is, but this one's from Shop Misa, and I got it there for $1. So what I like to do to make my highlight pop just a little bit more is I like to take a little bit of Vaseline and just dab a little bit just on the sides of my cheek. I've been doing this for a while now, and I find it very useful, and I like it a lot because once you apply your highlight, it makes it, you know, pop more, I feel like, in my opinion. So then I just take my Ulta Beauty brush. I don't know what number this is, but just like a small brush. Then I just apply on the top of my cheekbones. Okay, so once I apply my highlight, then I like to take this glitter eyeliner that I got also from Shop Misa, and I like to apply this on the inner corner of my eyes, you know, just kind of to brighten up my eyes a little bit. So just put a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, and lastly, for my lips, I just like to take my Vaseline again and just dab a little bit and apply it all over my lips. You know, just to give it that like natural lip. I don't normally do too much on the lips, so if I'm just gonna, you know, just do like a all natural type of look, you know what I mean? And this is my go-to look. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching me. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. So thank you guys. Mwah.